Hello! Samahan niyo kaming mag-grocery shopping sa Waitrose! Sa Waitrose tayo mag-grocery shopping today kasi may na-receive kaming gift voucher. Salamat! Bili tayo ng apple. £1.83 Jazz apples. So, yun na, nilagay na ni Ben. We brought Tyrell. Bili tayo nitong lemon. Unwax lemon, £1.36. Apat siya. Bili din tayo nitong oranges or ang tawag dito ay maliliit na orange tangerines. Kasi flu season, we need vitamin C. Mixed peppers. Bili tayo mixed peppers, £1.70. Merong red, orange, and yellow. Bili din tayo nitong large potatoes. Apat siya. Yung large potatoes na yon ay only 85p. Dahil tapos na ang Christmas, sale ang kanilang mga Christmas wrapper. 50p na lang, may 25p. Let's see. Ito, generic lang siya. So, we can use it anytime of the year. 50p. Ito, bumili si Fer ng mixed Thai chili. Only 85p. Bili tayo ng talong, dalawang talong, or it's called aubergine. At ang aubergine or talong ay £1 each. Bili din tayo ng kamatis, 6 na kamatis. Bumili si Pen itong, ano ba to, tatsu? It's a vegetable. And then, Chinese leaf. Pechay ba to? I don't know. And also green beans. At spinach. Repolyo, kailangan natin. Bagong chichirya, subukan natin. Sun Bites. Sour cream and sweet chili. So, 2 for 3 pounds. Po tayo ng isa. At isang sweet chili. Bili tayo ng chicken breast para sa mga kids. Ang mahal niya, £8.50. And bumili din tayo ng pork shoulder. Gusto ko lang naman bumili ng bacon. Bakit pinapakonfuse pa nila? Merong higher welfare bacon. Anong ibig sabihin kaya niyan? Higher welfare. Ito na lang. Unsmoked bacon. Bili tayo nitong grated cheddar and mozzarella cheese. £2.90. Natin ko anong binili ni Ben. Ben bought some Spanish chorizo and Greek yogurt. What is that?
Big bucket.
Big bucket.
I see.
Ben bought pepperoni. How much is this, Ben?
$4.95.
$4.95. At syempre, bumili tayo ng milk. Isang malaking milk. Semi-skim. Bibili din ako ng soya milk. £1.50. What do you have, Ben?
Panini.
Panini bread and Tiger Blue, my bread. Nandito tayo sa butter area. Bili tayo ng mga panlutong butter, pang baking na butter. Dapat itong unsalted dairy butter, pero ang mahal niya, $2.25. Okay na tong Angkor, £1.80 lang. Ben bought this granola, £2.95. Lisis, masarap to, Ben.
$1.10.
Ito gusto bili ni Ben, roast ham, £1.10. At ito ang pinakamasarap na sausage na natikman ko sa Germany, bratwurst. Tikman natin. Tingnan natin kung magkalasa sila. It's £3.45. Ben want to try this one. Carefree drink, £2. Which one? Yeah. Try the small one first. £1. It's like a yogurt drink. And can you see? This is only £1. Activia. So, pinalitan namin ng isang french fries. Ito na lang, ng McCain. For the air fryer. Bili tayo ng brioche bread. Gawin nating French toast. Pero we cannot find the price, Ben. Please, can you find for me? It's not there.
It's for just £1.
To buy this one. Mini breadstick, £1 only. Dalhin ko sa work. Sharing is caring. One of my favorite biscuit. Hindi ko siya mabigkas. Le Petit Bure. Bure? It's £2.10. Meron din siyang cookie version, oh. What did you buy? Pili ng shampoo si Ben. Head and Shoulders, apple scent. Ang bango niya. Nandito na tayo sa mga chichirya aisle. This is daw, that's mine daw, sabi ni Per. Ang kanyang Doritos at ang kanyang salsa. For movie night ba to, Per? Mili din si Per ng cupcakes. Dalawa yan, fairy cakes for work. Because sharing is caring at work. Ang ganda-ganda nitong Lululemon bag. Wow, £15 ang mahal. Pero ang ganda. Meron din water bottle saka coffee cup si Lululemon, oh. Time to pay.
Item
116.
finish and pay.
Thank you sa nagbigay ng gift card. Yay! That's the bag. Food shopping is done.